Welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to manage your Google Sync settings in Copper CRM. All right, so first up, go ahead over to your integrations right here at the top left. Okay, click on integrations. Now go ahead and find Google Sync settings right here at the top. Okay, click on this drop down and click on Google Sync. Or you'll be able to find it right here if it's your first time. Okay, connect to your Google account. So just click on it, follow simple prompts, log into your Google account, and once done, you should be good to go. Now, after your partial connection, just go back to the same set of pages right here and make sure that sync copper to task to my Google Calendar is selected or ticked. Also, Google Contact one-way sync as well. Okay, make sure that both of these are enabled. And then once done, it may ask you to log in with your Google account. So just go and log in. And you should be able to see under Google Contacts, okay, you'll be able to find under labels right here, Copper. These are all your Copper contacts, okay? It is automatic right here. When you go ahead and add in contacts from your Copper CRM, it will automatically add into your Google Contacts under label Copper. Also, when you go ahead and add in Google Calendar via integrations, right here, again, integrations and Google Sync settings right here, sync Copper task to my Google Calendar. As it states here, Copper will automatically create a calendar called Copper Reminders, just like this one. Okay, that's basically it. The benefit of doing this specific integration is that you can manage your schedule in a single place. Okay, when you go ahead and go to your one of your pipelines in here, let's say you have this record. I'm going to click on it and just make sure that it got a primary contact. Now go ahead and go to related or related tab. Now just go to scroll down and find calendar events. In here, add calendar events. Okay, wait for it. And once done, just set the event right here, hit on save. Wait for it. And as you can see here, as fast as that, you now have the meeting right here set up on your Google Calendar as well. That's basically it. That is how you manage your Google Sync settings in Copper CRM. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.